MarkSYS is a marketing company using the power of technology to build solutions for direct mail. And since our inception, we've established capabilities that serve the direct mail industry. We serve clients that require direct mail as a marketing strategy. And over time, we've evolved our services to also include digital marketing capabilities such as SMS marketing, email marketing, IP targeting. So we've brought all the different channels into one platform that enables clients to run omnichannel campaigns.
You're coming to MarkSYS for a few different reasons. One, we understand print mail, we understand speed, we understand postage savings. I would say MarkSYS is known for its really quick turn times.
Essentially, we are a direct mail company of a fairly large scale. We're a national provider. As a national provider, we send mail all over the US. And what we're really trying to do is give a personal touch to direct mail.
Offset, if you want variable, you have to then wait for it to print, dry, cut, and then inkjet the variable, typically in black. Now we're able to do 100% variable on the fly in full color.
Variable digital printing is the game changer. So being able to take a postcard and customize not only the data, but the photo, the image. That piece is going out to a 28-year-old man. We can optimize it for something that he's going to see and respond to. It's going out to a 45-year-old woman. So it gives us the ability to do that for every single piece of mail that goes out. And if they want 5 variations, we can do 5. If they want 500, we can do 500 variations. At the top of the list would be postcards. We produce a lot of full color postcards in various sizes. We can do anything from 8.5 by 11 or even oversized down to 6 by 9, 6 by 11s. Color letters, we do color letters on it. So mortgage offers, offers of loans, debt assistance, all of that in a color letter makes a huge impact over black and white.
So there was a few things that we need to really assess and understand with respect to inkjet before we could make informed decisions on that transition. The speed was certainly a huge factor. Obviously, it goes in with the whole philosophy of this company, which is turning jobs around quickly. And we saw the speeds that Canon was delivering on the sheet-fed platform. It's the best in class.
Well, our new press that we got in, the Canon IX, is fabulous. It does things way faster than our old equipment did, and it does it beautifully.
Before we received the IX, we had about 20 of these other printers, and it was a lot slower process. So when we had the other printers, we had to individually send the job to each printer. So when we have 20 of them and we needed to load 20, that's 20 times we had to go to each printer, pull in the job, load the job, go on and go, so forth. The main difference is how fast to load up a single job, multiple jobs. We can put different sheets of paper in the tray and have 3 different jobs, 4 different jobs with different paper types and keep the printer running.
We're able to produce things so quickly, and it's up all the time. I mean, we can run shifts around the clock, and it stays with us. We used to have lots of smaller, toner-based printers that just the quality doesn't compare to the inkjet press. It would flake off, it wouldn't look good, it'd be hard to get the toner product in at some point, but with the inkjet model, it's hands down way better.
When we look at samples that have come from our other machinery and other platforms, they can't always get the color right, especially skin tones, face tones. You look at what comes off the IX and it's better than offset. It's extremely clean. So it is again that right machine that allows us to produce the best quality.
One of the other things that we looked at for inkjet was the versatility of substrates. We run many different kinds of substrates. Prior to the newer technology that Canon has put out in inkjet, that would have been a challenge. The other reason was cost. I believe toner is becoming more expensive. It's becoming a scarce resource from a market standpoint, and inkjet was a more natural, cost-efficient option to consider.
We were up and running within a day or so in terms of being able to print jobs on it. It was very seamless to transfer files to it.
Service has been responsive. There was commitment from Canon that they were investing in training their resources, their tech, so that if there was issues, they would be here. And they've lived up to that promise.
Canon has been a tight partner with us. It is a different relationship than we'd have with somebody that supplies other equipment. They listened to what we were looking for. They got a feel for where our business was heading, where that gap was, and then equipment like the Canon IX really fills that position. This Canon IX is the right machine for our business and where we want to go.
I would recommend Canon. You know, they've been really great to work with, very friendly, very punctual. If we have any questions, trying to figure out, paper types or different things we want to do, they're very quick returning our calls, following up, coming by in person to meeting with us.
Every step of the way, Canon has provided us with information that has solidified the direction that we've gone in, that trust that we needed in making this decision, so that we were getting a solution in place that was for the future, that's for the long term. And that has helped us in making this decision significantly. I think anybody that's serious about inkjet and the future of this industry should be looking at Canon more intently and make a decision based on their criteria.